Ever had that moment when you spot a crack on your windshield and think, "I'll deal with it later"? We get it. Life gets busy. But when it comes to your vehicle, even the smallest chip can quickly turn into a bigger problem. That's why choosing the best auto glass company Baltimore has to offer isn't just a convenience. It's a smart decision. And that's where Next Shield Auto Glass Repair comes in. Located at 806 Wicklow Ard, Baltimore, MD 21229, right in the West Glen neighborhood near Gwynn Oak Park, and easily accessible from Gwynn Lake Doctor and Summerfield RD, Next Shield Auto Glass Repair has built a reputation for delivering top-tier service with a personal touch. From the moment you reach out, whether online at nextshieldAutoglassrepair.com or by calling 443-296-064, you'll notice the difference. Real people who care about your safety and your time. At Next Shield Auto Glass Repair, your car isn't just another job ticket. It's an investment, a daily companion, and something that deserves expert care. That's why their skilled technicians focus on exemplary workmanship, using cutting-edge technology to ensure every repair or replacement is done with precision and durability in mind. Whether it's a windshield replacement, back window repair, or any other auto glass service, they handle it all with confidence and expertise. What truly sets them apart as the best auto glass company Baltimore drivers trust is their commitment to customer satisfaction. It's not just about fixing glass, it's about creating a seamless, stress-free experience. With streamlined scheduling, effortless insurance support, and transparent pricing, you'll always know exactly what to expect. No surprises, no hidden fees, just honest, reliable service. Their mission is simple: to be the most trusted and preferred auto glass repair provider in Baltimore. And they live that mission every day by delivering uncompromising quality, embracing technological innovation, and building lasting relationships with every customer they serve. It's this dedication that keeps people coming back and confidently recommending Next Shield to friends and family. So if you're dealing with a crack, chip, or full glass replacement, don't wait until it gets worse. Experience the difference of working with a team that puts your safety and satisfaction first. Visit Next Shield Auto Glass Repair today. Give them a call at 443-296-0064 or check out their website to get started. Your car deserves the best, and now you know exactly where to find it.